Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to withdraw money from Airtm to your bank account. It's a very easy method. Okay, this is officially from Airtm. So what you do guys, of course, to withdraw funds from your Airtm account directly to a bank, okay, once you're logged in, I want you to go and select withdraw from the menu on the left side, okay? And then you enter the amount that you would like to withdraw from your ATM account, and on the direct tab, click on continue. And if you haven't already done so, guys, you'll be prompted to verify with AirTM. Just complete that form to set up your local bank account and just review the information and confirm the transaction. And the funds will actually be debited from your ATM account and arrive in the local bank account within 2 business days. Now, if you're wondering what the withdrawal limits are, guys, it's $100 and $800, $1,800 USDC per transaction, and 8,000 USDC in volume per month. Okay, and if you're in Brazil, it's 3,000 USDC and 2,000 USDC per month for Argentina. But otherwise, for the rest of the countries, it is 8,000 USDC. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.